Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tableturf Battle. This engaging card game challenges you to strategically ink the most territory on a 12 by 12 grid. You will use a custom deck of 48 cards, each with a unique shape, to claim squares. The objective is simple: out-ink your opponent by the end of the match. Understanding these fundamental rules is your first step towards becoming a Tableturf master. Every card in your 48-card deck features a unique shape, covering a specific number of squares on the board. Some cards are small and efficient, while others are large and powerful. Crucially, certain cards also generate special points, which are vital for activating powerful special attacks. Learning to effectively use these diverse card shapes and understanding their point generation is key to controlling the board and outmaneuvering your rival. Special attacks are game changers in Tableturf Battle. As you play cards, you accumulate special points, which charge your special attack meter. Once charged, you can unleash a powerful move that inks a large area, even over your opponent's already claimed squares. Timing is everything. Deploying your special attack at the right moment can turn the tide of a match, securing crucial territory or blocking a rival's advance. To consistently win, focus on building a balanced deck that offers both small, efficient cards and larger, high-impact options. Prioritize controlling the central 9 squares of the board, as this often dictates overall territory. Observe your opponent's playstyle and adapt your strategy accordingly. With consistent practice and thoughtful deck construction, you will soon be dominating every Tableturf battle you play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.